Alright, this is an update from the last video. The last video was placing the REM pod down and actually seeing the text and all that. I got rid of that stupid green halo around the text. It kind of looked ridiculous, and it was too easy for the player to find the objects. What I did today, don't mind the frame rate, screen recording, and running this game engine. Not a good thing. So yeah, I added it to the inventory. It's in there. It works like all the rest of them. Say I wanted to switch places and vice versa. It all works. Let's put the camera in here. All right. Let's go back out here. It's in my quick slot. One key to take it out. We place it down. Let's place it down right here. Now, I got rid of the halo, as you can see, and it still says pick up REM pod, and I'm looking at it. One thing I did add is when you walk away from it, the text slowly fades away, and it eventually disappears. You know, instead of popping in and out when I get close to it. So the items will be a little bit harder to find. Especially if you're looking at the side like that. But yeah. So that's how it's going to fade in. It's not going to stand out. Like I said, I wanted to have the player have a hard time trying to find tools if they forget where they put them. Because if you did paranormal investigation, there are sometimes I've lost tools out there. But here's the nifty thing. Now when you pick it up, it goes into your quick slot. It goes in the first available quick slot location, which would be slot 1. Let's come on. I was clicking other things. It's going to go in slot 1. So let's just place it somewhere else. Let's place it on the bench. Let's go place it on the bench over here. So place it on the bench. So now it's on the bench. Now I say, oh, I want my flashlight. So let's go grab the flashlight and put it in my quick slot 1. Take out the flashlight. Now I have my flashlight. Let's go pick up this REM pod. It should go in slot 2. There we go. Now, crap. It's doing the double thing. Well, that's an easy fix. I'm not too worried about that. So let's switch spots with this REM pod. Where'd it go? Ha! So it can't go in 3. It really can't go in 3? That doesn't make any sense. Well, at least I know where that is. Well, let's ignore that. I gotta fix that. I wonder if it does go in slot 3. I'm gonna just place it down. I'm gonna put the disposable camera in slot 2, and it should go in slot 3. Yeah, it's in slot 3. Nope, and I still gotta code the when I put away an item, it should make that go away. Which is easy. It's just a player pref integer that's simply changing when I'm pushing buttons. And that is it. And the only reason why I'm using this level is because this is the only level that's done. The other levels are being made. So while all those levels are being made, I might as well program the inventory, the player, the way the items work and function, interaction with the game. Obviously, I need to still program the clock. The clock needs to be programmed. Um, I still need to put in a backpack. There's still like, how many tools do I have so far? I have 5. About 9 more tools to go and program all of them. The camera's not even fully programmed. The voice recorder's not programmed. What else we have? The K2 meter's programmed, but it's not in the game. The digital thermometer's in the game, not yet programmed. I'm just trying to get everything in the moving script for the inventory. And if you want to know what that looks like, it is a complete nightmare. Inventory. Yeah, so this is the inventory item moving script. Okay. I'll do it quick. It looks like the same thing, but they're all different. Alright, so now at the end. As you can see, I am almost at line 10,000. And it's completely ridiculous. And there are only, let's count the items here. The ones that are able to go in the inventory are digital thermometer, disposable camera, flashlight, REM pod, tape recorder. So there's only 5. There's 5 items in this script, and there's almost 10,000 lines. Yep. Progress is good though. I made a little. Yes, I made something called Easy Way, where I simply just go in here, and then basically find like this REM pod. I would actually replace that with item in question, and then replace the what was this one? This was the REM pod. And then I don't think REM pod's in here, is it? Let's go all the way down. What is the last item here? Digital thermometer. It's kind of a way of cheating instead of going through all those lines of code. Just change the REM pod to whatever tool's next, copy paste, blah blah blah. It's done. It's not rocket science. It's programming, people. Christ, what else could I show you? Might as well show you everything. Let's see, the player's raycaster script for looking at the REM pod and changing the items and stuff. Picking up the REM pod would be this. REM pod placement. REM pod placement. Obviously, when the raycast hit is on the ground, and then that gets transferred, and that gets set to true, which makes the green little ghost thingy for the REM pod. What else is in here? And then, obviously, when you push the mouse button, it destroys the game object that the script is attached to. One thing that does need to go away is when I'm switching items. So in my quick, is it inside of my quick slots? No, it's in my change tool category. Change tool category, number 5. That's number 5. One through 5. Let me see what 1 through 5 is. This would be on the player. I'm gonna stop playing that. Let's see. For tools, number 5. K2 meter is number 4. Oh, I thought I didn't have the K2 meter on there. I know it was one of the first items I put in there. 0. 0 is the flashlight, so I don't know why I put no. This is 0. Tape recorder. Oh, hold on. Disposable camera would be number 1. I'll switch this up tomorrow. And then number 2 is the tape recorder, and then 4. Oh, that's why I'm missing one. Okay, so let's move this. Trust me, these notes are very important to me. So 0, 2, 3 is the. Okay, this is 3. See, that's the. I have to get organized. 2, 3. Because if I don't know this sequence, then the arrays, it's going to be a pain in the ass. This one is, number 1 is disposable camera is number 1. Okay, so now I got that fixed. So when we're making that false, I need to I really don't want to put that at the array. I would kind of want to make it its own. Let's put that on top of the arrays inside the inspectors. So public game object. Let's call this REM pod placement. Sounds good to me. So what I'm going to do here is just do the REM pod placement set active to false when that button is pushed, so I don't run into the same issue. And then I will show you in a little bit what this actually does. Just this little snippet. Let's see. Okay, this is where it starts getting weird. And now my eyes are going all buggy because I don't have my glasses on and I can't get another pair until next year. Oh my god, this is so bad for my eyes. Okay, so now that's the REM pod. I don't really need to worry about that. So I'm going to go back over to my inspector windows and add this. You can't see what I'm doing, but you don't need to. So I'm going to click save. And so basically what I did, I'm not going to fix the whole quick slot 3 thing yet for it. So I'm just going to grab this. Actually, let's grab all the rest of the tools. You can go in 2, you can go in 3. Let's go into the graveyard. Let's take this out. So essentially what happens is, no, because now it's not going to matter. Okay, hold on. Let me take this. That little snippet of code was for this. So I'm looking at the ground and you see the ghost image for the REM pod. If I push 2, it goes away. That's all that snippet was. That's all it was to change. But as for this problem, let's see what that can possibly be. That would be in range. No, it's not in that. It's not in range. REM pod placement. It would have to do with, let's see, REM pod placement. It would, okay, hold on. I gotta find the prefab and look at the script on that. Okay, so here's the script. Attention to player. Nope, I don't want that. It's on that. It has to be on this Raycaster because I know if you click the button, it goes into your inventory. There it is, right there. That's got to go. So now I shouldn't have that problem. Excuse me. I'm gonna cough again. Sorry. Oh, well, let's get rid of all those items. These tools need to be set to a player pref. That's in due time. Let's see. Inventory. Okay, let's go out there. Throw this bad boy on the ground. That doesn't work. I'm going to pretend like it has no batteries in it. Take out my flashlight and pick up this item. And the REM pod should not be held with two more arms. And there, it works. So now that was fixed. That's fixed. Let's put 0, not hold anything, and just pick it up. Okay, that works. So the only thing left for the inventory placement for the REM pod is to fix that quick slot 3 option. But everything else seems to be working properly. Can I switch it with the flashlight? I can switch it with this. It just for some reason will not want to go there. I wonder, can I can replace items. So it's quick slot 3. No, it's not quick slot 3. It's it has to do with, it's probably gonna be the longest video ever. Check inventory. Inventory move item. It's going to be, let me check. It's going to be, no, it's not in the inventory. It's in the HUD. Nope, it's in this one. It's got to be in this one. I think that's supposed to be 5. REM pod is 6. REM pod is 6. REM pod is 6. Quick, this is, oh, that's inventory. Quick slot 3. Change tools to icons. Change tools to icons would be this one. And 6. 6 is REM pod. Why aren't you going in there? Slot 3 needs to be set to 6 in order to be slot 3 set to 6. It is set to 6. Oh, no, that's so I can change it. Okay, so I really don't want to open up this fucking thing. It has to be on near the bottom. Quick slot 3. To these slots at the walls. This has nothing to do with it. Quick slot 3. Quick slot 3. Flashlight. Next one is tape recorder. Where is slot 3? No, 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 no. But this is physically inside the inventory. This is the one that's not changing. Player preps.get and slot 3 is equal to 6. Change tool 6. Change tool 6 is REM pod. Oh, crap. No, it wasn't. What the fuck is that? No, that's not it. It better not be that. No, it's not that. Okay, so if doesn't matter what it's in. No, for some reason the value isn't changing. So where do the values change? They change right here. There's nothing different. Oh, that's the number. What is going on? Okay, let's see. Let's pause the game. It all looks the same to me. Change tools, that's connected. Let's just do this just in case. Just in case something got messed up. And that should get changed to 3. Even though I highly doubt that did anything. Well, let's go to this inventory thing. Quick slot 3. Nope, that has nothing to do with it. Slots 14, 3. Nope, that has nothing to do with it either. That's just to switch them over. And then that's this. Change tool icon. Let's check the tool icon again. Icons. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, because it's supposed to be 6. REM pod is 6. But see, the tools is set to... No, 5. No, that's something completely different. Why aren't you going where you need to go? REM pod. Nope, that's when you pick it up. For some reason, it does not want to go in slot 3. For some reason. And it has nothing to do with the inventory. I'm just going to do a save all. Oh, I didn't save that one. Oh well. Ha! Ha ha! Success. It should be going out of my inventory. And this. Success. Only took me fucking forever. Well, that's all fixed and all ready. Oh, man, that was a really long video. I don't even think you made it through the entire thing. Well, if you stayed throughout the entire video, thanks for watching. I appreciate your cooperation. Now the only thing that I have to do, because that's all fixed, the 3 thing is fixed, picking up thing and getting rid of that is fixed. Another issue that I found was if you have multiple REM pods, because I kind of want the player to have more than one. I'll probably max them out at 2. But let's see, that's another thing I didn't really fully test. I could fully test it right now if I wanted to. Let's do... Actually, I can't do that yet. What I'm going to have to do is go into my inventory. That's no item. A REM pod. Let's put 2 REM pods inside my inventory just to see what happens. Okay, so I got 2 REM pods in my inventory. Let's put these in there. So let's go out. Let's drop the first one. Boop. Up. How did I know that was going to happen? Um, so man, that's going to be an issue. Not really. I like saying that because it makes me feel better about myself sometimes. Let's see what happens when I drop this. So, when I drop it, gets rid of it. So I see what the problem is. Yes, most definitely. I see what the problem is. So this is going to be an else if statement. So you're probably, if you don't know coding, you're probably like, that's not going to do nothing. Oh, you're wrong, sir. You are wrong. The only reason why I'm talking like this is because I'm really tired. I've been up since 1 o'clock this morning. So let's put this back in my quick slots. Run in the graveyard. Thank God there's no cops in this game yet. Ha! So that worked. So let's go over here. Well, actually, I'll show you side by side. Show you what happens. That's getting really dark because I'm getting tired. Let's put this right here. See now, if I look at one, they're both going to say pick up run pod. Pick up run pod. That's just because I'm not specifically targeting what the player is looking at. It's specifically setting a trigger to the text for that game object's prefab. So it's making them both go off. But if you pick it up, it only picks one. So it's not really that big of a deal. And I don't really expect... Oh, did I knock it over? Motherfucker. I need to pick it up. Okay, thank you. Okay, so let's place this one down. That too is going to go. No more knocking down the run pod. It's so fucking annoying. So now, yeah, like I said, I don't expect them to put them side by side as you're wasting your REM pods putting them next to each other. You want to spread them out. The way they work, it's kind of like an EMF detector slash motion detector slash static detector. It detects vibrations and all this whatnot. So, did I push something on? Yes, I did. Okay, let's place that down. So, if I look at this, is that going to pop up? It's not like it's going to matter. I already forgot where I dropped the first one. I think I dropped it over here. Oh, there it is. Yeah, no matter what, you got to look down, just as long as it's not side by side. But that, I got to fix that. It's going to bother me knowing that that does happen. So, okay, so look at that. Made multiple REM pods in my inventory in less than, I don't know, 3 minutes, 5 minutes. Not counting the mishap of quick slot 3 on the in-game inventory quick slots. Take out my flashlight. Yeah. Oh, that's weird. I gotta fix this whole lighting thing in Unity is BS. I hate it. Cannot stand it. I'm sure I can fix it later. I'm not too concerned about it. But yeah, that's the REM pod drop. Pick it up. Drop it down. Drop it down. I hate you. Oh, REM pods. Alright, I'm ending this video. I've been talking nonsense for far too long. Have a good night.